Hi guys, welcome back to leadclosure.com. So Leadclosure is a one-stop solution for any lead generation. So we have got 170 million verified contacts from B2B and LinkedIn, which we have it internally. And there are unlimited local business search, which you can do directly from Google. There's no limitation at all. And we have inbuilt with website technology search and many more. Finding a lead for a business is really hard, but our Leadclosure makes it very simple. So let's sign in and we can go inside and explore about all the tools. Okay, so once you have signed in, you will be landing at this page. So this is the overview and of a statistical report. That so if you look at here, these are a number of leads which you have searched in Google, and these are the leads usage internally. Basically these from LinkedIn and technology search. And we also got a checklist for SEO and content. So if you have used or generated a SEO checklist or content checklist, which will be shown here. So this is the overview. Let's say we go to further into this usage logs, and you can see the module access which you have bought it, right? Based on the credit you have bought it, you can see what are the access you are having. Yeah, for example, email campaign and so on. I mean the maximum credit, so that I will get all the functionality available. Yeah, and you can also see what are the limitation I'll be having for the search from each sources. Yeah, so let's go into the main matter, that's business finder. Let's say we go in Google search. Yeah, Google search, as everybody knows, is the large search engine in this world. So if you want to find local business leads, for example, if you put dentist Singapore, for example, if you put Singapore, so once you click search now, our software is go and pick up the leads, business leads from Google. Yes, we are here and we'll be getting all the leads based on the keywords we have put in here. All these leads has come. So what you have to do, you have to select all the leads and you have to add your campaign, and you can create your campaign or you can choose the existing campaign to be added. Let's say we put a new campaign, we can put dentist, add campaign, add it. Yeah, so leads has been added successfully. So all the leads which are related to dentist in Singapore has been added into our campaign. Okay, so now let's go and have a look at the campaigns and see what. Let's go in and see. Yeah, you can see, for example, if you take American Dental Group, right, you have got an email, that's why you got it here, and you go and send SMS, and you can call the people and explain your service or your product if you are targeting this dentist or any business you are doing related to a dentist, right? You can call and explain the service, or you can ask for the appointment and so on. And you can check GMB status, Google My Business, for example, whether this American Dental Group has been added into Google My Business list. Yes, it has been added. So that's how you can check. Yeah, and if, for example, if you want to download the SEO report for this particular American Dental Group, you can download a SEO audit report. Yeah, you can see what else, business name, phone number, whether they are having or not having. You can send this report as a customized report. You can download this report. In fact, you can add your company logo and details, and you can send them your own personalized report, and you can ask them to improve their website on details or their business in some cases, so that you can establish your business with them. This is how you can generate the leads, and you can outreach to them through email, phone numbers, and SMS, and you can get your business up. And also you can edit, since you have already uploaded into your campaign. You can edit their phone number if they have changed, and you can edit the reports. All right, so similarly you can take further action. You can download all these leads into CSV format, and you can upload into your so-called email automation tool, and you can run your own campaigns. And even you can move all these leads into another campaigns, and into another campaigns, and outreach the customers. So that is about, you can see some of the vendor do not have the email, so you will not be getting, but you got a number, you can still reach them. And you, for the SMS and phone number, you need to add your Twilio API key, so in order to get function for you. Yeah, so that is about how you can extract leads, and you can play with it. So next we move on to LinkedIn search. So LinkedIn search, of course you need to put a job title, and for example you can put manager, can put United States, and you can search now. Yeah, so these are the leads basically based on the keywords you have given. So you can select all, and you can export to CSV format. So once you have export into CSV format, you can open and see all the data here. You got the job title of the person, the name, the company, phone number, website, domain, LinkedIn page, and so on, so that you can reach the customer by email or through LinkedIn, other means of medium which you got it here, like Facebook, Twitter, and so on. So you can also add this email address into your campaign, and you can outreach the customers as well. So we are in a better place to help you all you find the right leads for your business. So let's say once you have generated all the leads based on the keywords you have given, and when you do a search again and you don't want to have the same email address, so you can copy all those email and paste it here, so that whenever do a search again, it will not appear same email. Okay, so you will not get duplicated emails. And we have got the filters here. If you want to get the leads with the email address as a mandatory, you can put it on, so that those leads which have got the email will be picked up and shown here. Say API, LinkedIn API. So we are providing a API provision if you're linking our software to any other third-party software or your email automation software, and you can get the leads there and start your campaign. So you can also get back to us if you really got any issue on the API key linking. So next we move on to technology search. So you can put any technology, WordPress, we can do a search now. So these are the people who are using WordPress. So if you are doing any business by using WordPress, or you want to target the people who are using WordPress and you want to sell your product, and you can target them. Plus similarly, you can select all and you can export into CSV format. Open up and see. Yes guys, that's how you will get leads generated by means of Google search, by means of LinkedIn, by means of technology search. Okay, next we move on to a lead search. So we got a email permutator. For example, if you know any person working in a particular company, you can put those guys' name. For example, you can put John, Vincent, and you can put any. For example, let me put generalelectric.com, ge.com. And if you know this guy is working in a company, then you can generate the possibilities of the email address, and you can export to CSV file. And we have got an email validation tool, which is here, and you can provide a single verification, or you can export as a whole list here, and you can verify it. So it will verify for you. Then once you got email verified, then you can reach out to the people and you can get your business on. Yeah, so next is by domain search, which is still in beta version. We are still doing it, and we will let you know once we are ready. And you can do a B2B search as well. You can put the country, you can put the title. For example, you can put any title, manager as a generic example. So these are the leads we can generate based on the B2B business contacts. And similarly, you can export to CSV format, and you can upload your outreach tools, and you can start sending emails or phone numbers and so on. So we are also providing additional tool, outreach tools. You can export the CSV file format to here, and through our outreach.com, leadclosure.com, you can send emails. It's just it's quite easy to run email campaigns. Yeah, you can make use of it. So once you have purchased leadclosure.com. So similarly, you can do a trading search if you are interested, or you want to target the people who are doing business in finance. You can do a search here, and you can reach out to the people. That's about the lead search. And we are also providing other services. You can find opportunities through the web by putting just the websites here, right? You can put any websites. So here's our website opportunity finder report. You see, does this website is mobile friendly? Oh no, this website is not mobile friendly. It's called Facebook Pixel. Appsumo website is called Facebook Pixel. Yeah. Does this business have a Google Tag Manager? No. So you can see what are the opportunities you are having here. If your business is related to the answers no here, then all these are potential customer you can reach out to. And you can audit any particular website. You can put a name of a particular website. So let's say we click one of the report which we have already generated. So all these reports you can get it, and you can even send this website audit report as your personalized report. You can customize this report under your company logo, and you can reach out to the people so that you will get more business. So similarly, you can do a local SEO audit report. You can do a YouTube audit report for a particular channel, and you can reach out to the channel owner, and you can try your business in many ways to reach out to many people as possible. Right, now let's see how you can outreach to the people. Let's say we go to contact list. So what you need to do, you can create a contact list based on the campaign which you have created just now. Based on the search, you have created a campaign, and from the campaign you can add into your contact list, or you can from a CSV format just now we have downloaded, you can add those lists into your contact. Let's say we have added dentist here, right? Yes, we are adding into our contacts. Yes, these are the contacts. So we select all and add to our list. You can similarly add to your list, or you can generate a new list. So you go to email templates. So you can predefine the emails which you are going to send to the many customers. So you can go add a new template, or you can just make use of any template which are available here. So you can go and add a template. You can generate a new template and you can store it. Similarly, you can send emails. So you already created a list. You can choose your list of the contacts which you need to send, and you can choose your predefined email address, emails, subjects, and you can just send. So that's how you can outreach to the people. Similarly, you can send SMS to the people which you have created your list from your search. So all these tools are available. Let's say and have a look at outreach logs based on the email and the phone numbers outreach you have done. Yeah, and let's say here some of the SMS not sent because you need to add API key of Twilio so that it can be linked and can be sent to the people right away. Yeah, that's about in outreach. And we have got a setting where company setting is about you can add your company details, address, and your company logo. So whenever you go and generate a new report, you can get your personalized report under your company name and company logo. So that's about, you can do a setting, and you can do a API setting as well. Your business API you can add it here. Yeah, that's we also got a manage team setting. You can prefer to have set it up. And as I have informed you all earlier, we have got an email outreach tool where you can reach out to the many people based on the email list which you have searched and got it. And this is our outreach tools. It's very simple. So we are come to the end. So we're getting a lead for any business. Yeah, it's really hard. Our Leadclosure really makes it simple. Please make use of it. And if you have any questions of in any tool which we have seen here, there will be a detailed video which will be followed. You can click those for the link we will be providing, or you can contact us and you can reach out to us, and we'll be happy to serve you. Thank you guys. Hope your business will grow much faster with the help of our tools. Thank you so much.